actually see-through. Wow. They have scammed me once again. I'm just not good at this. Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be another video where I am trying and testing very extra clothing. I'm so excited for some of these pieces. If you haven't seen my previous videos doing this, here are some thumbnails. I will also leave a link to a playlist in the click what I button and in the description. So I have a little pile of clothing next to me. The thing that's screaming at me right now is something that's pastel blue and I just want to put it on. I'm already really excited about this. So this is, as you can tell, from Shein. It is pastel blue and it looks kind of satiny. Oh, it's just a belt. I thought it was some form of, I don't really know what I thought, but it's a belt. Okay, I'm excited and also really not excited. So it is a pastel blue playsuit, which obviously makes me extremely excited, but look how low cut it is. I mean, I don't see me, or maybe it's not that low cut. That's not maybe. It does feel pretty nice. It is a really nice silky satiny material. It's got a really nice, I don't know if you can fully see that, but it's like pleated and ruffled. It does need an iron, although I'm not 100% sure how you would iron a material that's pleated quite so much. But we're gonna try it on, we're gonna see how it goes, and then there is also a belt. So, let's go. Are you ready for this? Because I wasn't. This is really quite cute. I actually genuinely really quite like this. I wish there was a little stitch just here, just to make it that little less low cut, which I can do that. I can pop in a stitch myself. It's kind of cute, maybe a little bit too big. I know the sleeves are meant to be balloon sleeves. If I put the sleeves to where they'd rest naturally, it'll be about here. And then once I pull them up, it's just got this kind of, it just looks oversized, doesn't it? Just a little bit. So aside from that though, really kind of cute. I also don't know how to iron this thing. I'm thinking have the iron on the lowest setting and do my best and hope that it repleats itself. It's pastel blue, one of my favorite colors. It's a playsuit, my favorite item of clothing. It doesn't have pockets, but we can get over that because I think I'd only ever wear this as jammies. I think to me this is kind of like round the house pajamas. Very, very stylish pajamas, but pajamas nonetheless. I don't think I'd actually wear this out. And also, from what I can tell, it's not giving me a camel toe. So, win-win. The next item is fluffy and grey. Oh my gosh. Oh, I remember ordering this. Okay, it's a little jumper with little ears. Oh my gosh, please be cute. Yes! Okay, I think I'm gonna really like this. So it's basically a long jumper with a hood with ears in grey, but now I'm holding it up, it doesn't seem that extra. I'm gonna find the picture of the person wearing it and work out why I've purchased this. Okay, so I've just pulled up the picture, and I think it's more the girl in the picture that looks more extra than the actual item of clothing. She's basically only wearing this, and I don't know if you can tell, but that's not a full length dress type material. Wait! It's a playsuit. It's a playsuit! Okay, yeah, a little bit extra, very excited. Oh my goodness, how cute! It's a little teddy bear playsuit. They are the shortest shorts I've ever seen in my entire life though. I'm a little bit disappointed. Not in the fit of it. It actually fits pretty well. I can move about nicely. It's comfortable, it's soft, it's cozy, it's warm. It's maybe pulling a tiny little bit around this region, but not enough to complain about. Could happily wear this around the house. I'm disappointed in the look of it. It doesn't look extra at all. She was sat on the sofa like this with a little cup of drink, and she did have the hood up, which doesn't go over my bum, but this is what it looks like, kind of. And she looked cute on the sofa like this. And it just, to me, the whole image looked a little extra. Now I've got it on, pretty normal. I'm not complaining. I just don't now feel like this belongs in this video. You know? I'm gonna go for this parcel. This is... Wow, I do not think I'm gonna like this. Okay, so we have a cropped top that looks like it's potentially off one shoulder with long sleeves. I'm not too sure whether they're long or 3/4. Long sleeves, little crop top, long sleeves. It doesn't seem like the best quality material at all, but we've got that, and then the shorts. love with them. They might look okay on, but holding them up, they look a little like I could have made these. They don't look like they have much shape. There's not much stretch to them. The material's super thin, and then the waist just doesn't look cute. It looks kind of like a waist that you would get underneath a long top, and you would just hide the waist because no one cares. But I've got a crop top. I don't have too much faith in this. This fits exactly as I thought it would. It's not very comfortable at all. It doesn't have any give to it. It looks like it costs exactly how much I paid for it. These shorts are just not really doing anything for me, are they? I can't even tighten them. They're these little bow things that just don't even do anything. So that's as tight as it goes round here. Great, at least we can cover it up. Again, the photo and the people in the photo made it look extra. Now it's on me, looks like a very bog standard, cheap pair of pajamas that I wouldn't wear. And she's like, got this risen, and she's like, ooh, but just, it's a pair of pajamas really, isn't it? I think I'd rather wear this off the shoulder. No, I wouldn't. I would hate to wear it off the shoulder. I'll wear it like this. Not the biggest fan of the neckline, not the biggest fan of the look of this, or the fit of it, or the comfort level. I feel bad. Like, I feel like I'm being too negative about it, but there isn't really much going for this outfit. It's a very average pair of pajamas. Okay, this feels heavy. This is weighty. This is really quite heavy. And it is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, it's actually see-through. Okay. Can you tell that that's see-through? Look, can you see my arm moving through behind it? That's see-through. I don't think I knew that this was see-through when I bought it. I need to find the picture. Wait one moment, please. Looking at the picture now, yes, it looks quite see-through, but looking at the picture at a glance, which is what I would have done, it doesn't look that see-through. I don't even know what to put underneath this. I mean, I can see right through it, as though there's nothing in front of my face. Aside from that, it seems decent quality. Not great, but decent. All of the little gems are on. They look like they've been stuck on nicely. It's quite weighty. It feels quite nice. It's holding and it's see-through. Let me just see what this feels like on my arm. Ooh, ooh, it feels quite nice. Okay, really like the feel of this. And it doesn't look that see-through. Here it does. It's very, very sheer. But this bit, it really does cover up a lot. The little gems really do make a difference to how sheer it looks. But it feels really quite nice. Okay, we'll try it on. There is a chance I'll like it, but because it's so see-through, I honestly don't know what I'd wear underneath it. I changed into a little crop top and bottoms, and we're gonna try on this lovely dress, which actually could be decent. It's not bad at all, and it is nowhere near as sheer as it looks. It really is, and then it really isn't. I mean, you can see straight through my legs, through the dress, straight, like so clear. But then you can't fully make out my shorts. You can only kind of just see it. Whereas I feel, can you? I don't know how it's picking up on camera. It's actually quite nice. What I will say is that I really like the detail that my crop top is adding to the neck. I actually much prefer that. Without the crop top, I'm not the biggest fan of this neckline. I like the gems. It fits nicely, it's comfortable, it's not itchy at all on the inside, which I thought there was a chance it might be. And it's nowhere near as sheer as I thought it would be. So I feel like if you wanted to go with nude underwear, you could do, and you'd look slightly naked, but it would be questionable. It also has these little areas without gems, like little sheer areas, and down the side as well. And I quite like that too. It is not a bad dress. I've taken the crop top off to show you the neckline, and also the fact that you can't really make out the bra as much as I thought you'd be able to. The only problem is, if you did go out and then a spotlight shone on you, this is what happens. Now it's sheer. Ooh, okay, I see something pink, which is exciting. I seem to have chosen a lot of extra pajamas. This, no, maybe this isn't pajamas. Is this a jacket? Yeah, no. No, I didn't, there's no, that doesn't look extra. It just looks like something like my grandma would wear. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've just seen the lovely photo of what I ordered, and this, ladies and gents, is not it. This is not what I ordered. What I ordered was a nice pink, thick, fluffy coat, like a going out coat. This is like a little jammy top, which has a hole under the armpit. I mean, hello. They have scammed me once again. I've been robbed. I've been robbed. This is ridiculous. I'm still gonna try it on so you can see it, but it looks absolutely nothing like what I ordered. I've been scammed. I've been scammed. Basic outfit is on. Nice little t-shirt, jeans. Now we're gonna throw on this little coat and make it look fancy and extra. That's what we're gonna aim for. Wow. Not really doing what I wanted. Doesn't really look like the image. Also, sleeves, a little bit short. They forgot to add the sleeves to this outfit, didn't they, really? Okay. I mean, it's an immediate no, isn't it? And where's my hole? Not there. That's what she said. There it is. Already got a hole. And doesn't smell great. Good. Good. I can imagine if I hung this in the coat closet and said, Nick, could you grab me a coat, the pink one? He wouldn't pick this up because it's not a coat, even though what I ordered was a coat. Hers is thick and long and looks really cozy. This, okay, this doesn't look awful, but it is nowhere near the image that I paid for. It is a very thin, poorly made, blazery, fluffy, cardigan-y type thing. And I don't want it. This package is tiny. There can't possibly be clothing in this. That would be insane. Oh! Ooh! Okay, I ordered myself a little Diamante Choker, and I'm actually quite excited to put this on. I don't think I could necessarily pull it off, but we can always try. Oh, I think my neck's gonna be too big for this. I don't hate it. I don't know if it's gonna fit around my neck. Oh, it will. Wait a minute. I don't know if I can do this buckle up by myself. Hey! Okay, quite like it. I don't like that it's got a little bend from postage, but we could iron that out a little bit. I feel very fancy. I feel a little like Cinderella after the fairy godmother situation. It's quite nice. And I'm pretty sure it's £1. So I mean, for £1, I feel like a millionaire. I can almost guarantee millionaires can spot a fake diamond from a mile away. I could like show up to the party and they'd be like, get out, you don't belong here. But I feel like I look the part and that's all that matters. Ooh, icy pastel blue. Okay, I'm thinking this is the coat that I ordered. It is meant to be a coat and it's a teeny tiny package. We can only hope for a miracle and a Mary Poppins situation. Feels quite nice. Feels extremely thin, but quite nice and soft. So this is not what I'd hoped for. What I've ordered looks like a nice pastel blue fitted coat in this really nice material. The material looks similar. It does look like a similar colour and softness level, but it just hangs quite nicely on her body, and I don't think that's going to happen to me at all. I just think this is going to look like a cheap jacket, which it was technically, but we can only hope for the best. I don't know how I feel about this one. Straight off the bat, hers screams quality, obviously. This one really doesn't. You can definitely see that it's not great quality. I will say I thought it was meant to be like a coat. I definitely think this is more of a dress because I don't see myself putting any clothes underneath this. This is it. And it looks super close to the image. You've got the zip, you've got the belt, you've got this little neck piece. Everything looks similar in yet completely different. I think it's just me. I think I just take away the class from the outfit. I need your opinion. I really can't tell. I don't think I like it. I don't know. I don't know. You let me know. I don't know. Okay, I bought some shoes and I feel like these are as extra as shoes could go. And I don't know what kind of outfit you'd pair these with. I bought myself some over-the-knee denim heels, which, wow. They actually look really nice. I don't know what I'd wear them with. But if this doesn't scream extra, then I clearly don't know what the word extra means. Because that... I'm going to try them on. I genuinely don't think my foot is going to fit in there. Please fit foot or I'll be sad. My foot fits! Hello. I'm going to put these boots on with this coat just to up the extra of this outfit. Just to the highest peak level. And also because I don't know what else to wear these with, so I'm gonna put them with this. This is not a thing. What do you wear denim heels with? What are they wearing these with? They don't show these with an outfit, they just show them. Okay, I'm gonna Google denim heels. There is no images on Google of an outfit. Oh, okay, someone's just got a black dress on, or a white dress, or a grey dress. It seems like everyone wearing denim boots is wearing a very simple dress. So we're gonna say that this is a simple dress and that these are my little denim boots. What do we think of them? I don't see myself ever wearing them out, but I do not hate them anywhere near as much as I thought I would. They kind of just look like normal over-the-knee boots, just in blue instead of like a black or a grey. They don't look that bad. Potentially not with this outfit, sure. They're not necessarily my style, but they're not bad. I'm not looking at them thinking, wow, I'd never wear those. The only thing I'd want changed in these boots is to have them just a little bit tighter around my leg so that they stayed on, more like skinny jeans as opposed to kind of mum jeans. That's it though. They're actually not that bad and I don't dislike them, so there we go. Final item, it looks white and fluffy. I haven't had the best experience with fluffy things from Wish. Don't let me down here. Don't let me down. Ooh. What I remember ordering was a very, very, very thick coat. What I seem to have is a barely thick coat. But it's white and it's fluffy, so we'll try it on. Here goes the nice fluffy coat. Let's see what this does to my outfit. Do I become extra? Oh, goodness. This fits like that other one that I tried on, where it doesn't fit. What is up with the length of these sleeves? What? Maybe am I meant to wear it slightly off? Well, that's just uncomfortable. In order for the sleeves to be the correct length, it has to be falling off my back. If I actually put this where a normal jacket sits, look at the length of those sleeves. Let's do this up nicely. Nicely. Well, I don't like this at all. I forgot just how thick and fluffy her one is. Because her one is so big and thick and fluffy, it's just coat all like out to here on her. Mine is just hanging. Does she have short sleeves? Now her sleeves are quite short, but I think it works on hers and it doesn't quite work on this one. This one just looks like I ordered the wrong size. The torso area of this looks slightly too big and the arm area looks slightly too small. So I don't know if it's me or I don't understand. Maybe it's me. Is it me? I'm just not good at this. Okay, so that is it for today's video. As always, I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you. Bye.